In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see your recent downloads on Firefox. Download history on Firefox is essential for managing and tracking files downloaded from the internet. It provides users with detailed information about each download, including the file name and download date on their device. To see your download history, simply open up Firefox. On your home page, tap on these three lines right here. You will then head into the option of downloads. On this page, you will see all your recent downloads. I don't have any because I cleared mine already. To clear all your downloads, just click on Clear Downloads. This facilitates resuming interrupted downloads, helping users avoid starting over if a download is paused or disrupted. That's how easy it is to see your recent downloads on Firefox. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.